Hi, did you order a Lyft?
Yeah.
Hi, what's the name?
Yeah. Carol?
Carol?
Yeah.
It says Peter here.
Yeah, that's my dad. Don't worry about it.
Oh, your dad ordered the ride?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you're over 18, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. So, that's really nice of him to get the ride for you.
Yeah, super nice.
Yeah. You know, I don't really have a dad to, like, pay for anything for me, but it's okay.
I'm sorry to say.
So how was that party you were just at? Looks crazy out there.
Oh, yeah.
That was like the Lil Jon party, right?
Yeah,
I heard he was in town.
It was pretty crazy.
Yeah, Vegas is always something going on in Vegas, you know?
Yeah.
It's always, what do they say? It's that city that you never, what happens in Vegas?
Stays in Vegas.
Stays in Vegas.
Yeah, it's a city that never sleeps.
Yeah, so, you know, this Uber ride's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun.
I'm excited.
Yeah. So, you know what? Hold on a second. Somebody keeps like spamming, calling me.
Oh, yeah.
You mind if I answer this real quick?
Yeah, sure.
Hello? You're Pete? You're my Uber passenger? No, I literally just picked up your daughter. She said you ordered the ride for her? Wait, you don't have a daughter? Wait, what? No, your daughter.
Yeah, don't listen to him.
It's my phone.
No, don't listen. You can just take me.
Are you serious?
Okay. Yeah, no. He said it's okay. He said it's okay.
You just talked to your dad?
Yeah.
You 100%?
Yeah, we're good. We're A-okay.
Because I need to make sure I have the right, like, what if that was my actual passenger?
Oh, they'll find one. Don't worry.
Are you sure?
It's just a mistake.
Okay, so you're going to Henderson, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, perfect.
It's like 45 minutes. So I just want to make sure they're right
Yeah, that's perfect.
passenger, because I don't want to like get.
Yeah, we're good. You all squared away.
Okay.